Today we're going to be drawing a cute puppy holding a bundle of flowers. And guess what, guys? He has a little bow tie. He is just the cutest. So we're going to start by drawing his eyes. He has really big eyes. So we're going to draw two big ovals. Two big ovals. Then we're going to draw another circle on the inside for the pupils. And these are also very big. He has big eyes because he's so cute. Then we're going to draw another circle near the top. And then a smaller circle. So another circle near the top. And then a smaller circle. And then something unique we're going to do to make him even cuter is we're going to draw this little bean shape at the bottom. Draw this little bean shape at the bottom. Perfect. Then when we're done, we can just go ahead and go over this part and color it all in. You guys should probably do this with a pencil and not a marker like me, just in case you make a mistake. I would hate it if you made a mistake and you couldn't erase it, but just go on in and color that area. You're gonna do it with both of the eyes. Just color them on in. Take your time with this, no need to rush. As you can see, I'm kind of going slow too. I want to make sure I'm really getting inside the lines, because when we take our time, we make our best artwork. So there we go. I'm going to give him some eyebrows. Just two curvy lines, two curved lines. Look at his eyes. Oh, his eyes are so cute. Then we're going to go in and draw the nose. Draw the nose. Nose goes right in between the eyes. And we're going to color it on in. Color it on in. And we're going to draw a line above for the snout. A line above for the snout. Then we're going to draw his mouth. He's very happy. He is smiling. He is so happy. We're going to draw three little dots. Three little dots on both sides. And we can start drawing his ears. So he's going to have some floppy ears. So we're going to start with one curved line, another curved line that connects. The ears go down quite a bit and then they curve back up. They don't quite attach to the eyebrow, but they get pretty close to the eyebrow. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to draw a curved line. And then coming right off of that line, we're going to do another curved line. And then it's going to curve down and curve around. And they're going to be about the same size. Both ears are going to be about the same size. Very floppy, very long, very cute. This kind of dog we're making is called a dachshund. They're super cute. Sometimes they're called hot dogs because they kind of look like hot dogs. But he is so cute. We're going to finish up the top of his head by just adding a little curved line up here. And then we're almost done with the head. We just need to add one curved line, two curved lines. Guess what? We're going to leave a little bit of room because we have to draw his bow tie. So we're going to draw a curved line, goes around into like this candy corn shape. We're going to draw a circle, and then we're going to do another candy corn, but we're going to leave a tiny little bit of room because we have to draw his bundle of flowers, his flower bouquet. I wonder who he's going to give his flowers to. I have no idea. So we're going to draw the flowers. Basically, a flower is like one circle with a bunch of circles around it. So we're just going to do a bunch of those. I'm going to draw one and then two flowers. I like to give them about 5 petals, but honestly, it is up to you. So yeah, we're just going to keep adding those flowers until we feel like our bouquet is big enough. So here comes that other flower. They're kind of overlapping. Some of them are in the front, some of them are in the back, and that's totally okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers right now. It's a little bit hard to tell because we haven't colored them in yet, but that's okay. Then we're going to draw one of his paws. So he's going to be holding the bouquet of flowers in this paw. And then we're going to draw the other paw that's coming around, kind of supporting the flowers. Then we're going to add 2 lines for his toes. And then we're going to draw the stems of the flowers. Oh, isn't that so cute? Okay, so we have his head, we have his bow tie, we have the flowers, we have his arms. Now we're gonna draw his legs. So we're gonna draw like this backward C shape for his hind leg, and then this curved line that connects off of it like that for his paw, and then this curved line for his back. Then we're gonna add 2 lines for his toes. One tiny line here, one tiny line there. Before we draw his other hind leg, so remember that backward C shape. Then we're gonna draw his other paw. It connects, and then we're gonna add the toes. And then there's only a little bit left we have to do, and that is his tail. So we'll add his tail, and then we're done drawing.